How to work online from anywhere. Remote work opportunities are growing faster. Today, you don't need to be in a specific location to earn money. Many companies now hire people to work online from anywhere. Jobs like writing, customer support, graphic design, and digital marketing are all be done remotely. Freelancing platforms also allows you to connect with clients worldwide. The key is having a skill that people are willing to pay for. With internet access and consistency, you can build a stable income online. Remote work gives you flexibility and the freedom. The future of work is no longer tied to one place. Follow Tech Growth and Wealth for more.